With the Claw 2, we spent time paying attention to what it is in a tool that you need. But this isn't just a tool. It's designed to be an extension of you. We know that the Claw fits into so many different lifestyles, so this time we wanted to pack even more into the body while keeping our principles of minimal carry at the forefront of the design process. We went back and refined the design over and over until we had something that was engineered with total precision. Carved out of strong metals, the angles are calculated to give you the right downforce and leverage when applying pressure, but still maintaining the form factor. Across the Claw, we've added even more. A mini hex that lets you fix, assemble, and tear down the tiniest objects, and also a regular hex for your typical screwdriver attachments. With this, a chiseled blade that lets you pry out tough fixtures. The new Claw is a versatile piece of everyday carry. We wanted to create a tool that goes where you go, functions as an extension of you, enables you to keep exploring, moving, living seamlessly.
COVID-19. This seemingly harmless and isolated disease has caused an unprecedented number of deaths and millions more cases, changing our way of life and our world forever. The immense fallout of the effects of COVID-19 has brought critical attention to our personal hygiene. Staying safe and keeping other people safe has never been more important in our lives. We touch dozens to hundreds of public services every day. Among those are countless buttons, door handles and ATMs. According to scientific research, bacteria and viruses can potentially stay alive on surfaces from a few hours to several days. Did you know that the buttons we all touch every single day are up to 40 times dirtier than a public toilet? Unwanted contact with public services is a huge problem we have to face nowadays, and we would all be much safer if we could avoid touching those surfaces and buttons. But how can we achieve that? We offer you a simple, safe and eco-friendly solution. We offer you our newest design, the LiveC Contact Pen. Made from high quality, durable and corrosion resistant plastic, the pen is lightweight and incredibly high wear. It has been stress tested to handle frequent sterilization cycles and remains safe to use even if it's not regularly sterilized, as long as the cap remains closed. Incredibly ergonomic, the pen has also been fitted with an anti-slip service for additional comfort during use. Designed to be an everyday carry tool, the LiveC Contact Pen allows you to safely press elevator buttons, ATM buttons, door handles and keypads. The size and shape of the LiveC Contact Pen has been carefully designed and tested to fit all hand sizes, from a small child to an adult, and it can easily fit into your pocket, fanny pack or purse. The tip is narrow enough to easily hit the smallest buttons and strong enough to hit the larger ones, and it can be used in a variety of angles, and the pen size has been meticulously designed to allow use even in tight places. Sustainability is one of our major goals, and thus the pen's tip is completely replaceable, allowing you to simply buy a new tip to replace the old one instead of getting a new pen. The LiveC Contact Pen's base comes in 3 basic colors. We are planning on adding a variety of colors to the base, as well as different colors for the pen's interchangeable tips to allow you to customize the pen to your liking. Available in a single version, a duo pack, a family pack and even a bulk sale option, the LiveC Contact Pen has a solution for all your needs. Whether you are a business owner trying to minimize risks for your workers, a family or one person, there's an option for you. We also have some add-ons available, a strap and a ring to give more versatility to the pen's use. With the strap you can open and close doors more efficiently. With the ring you can attach your pen to a lanyard or even your car or house keys to ensure it does not get lost. Our goal is to make a high quality, durable, eco-friendly product that will help keep everyone safe.